Hiya! Today I'll be showing you how to do everyday sweat-resistant makeup. Skip the primer because your makeup can slide off. Instead, start with setting spray. It will help bond your foundation to your skin. Make sure it has completely dried before you continue. Then cover your whole face with a setting powder. The setting powder will help absorb sweat. Then go in a little extra heavy with the setting powder on places that you sweat the most, like the nose, the mustache area, the chin, the cheeks, and the top of the forehead. Choose a foundation with words like matte, waterproof, or long wear in the title. They will stay on longer than regular or dewy foundations. Dewy foundations will slide completely off when you sweat. Go over your whole face in setting powder, and again, go back in again with more setting powder on the places that you sweat the most. Use your blush as usual. And contour as usual. Highlight as usual. For your brows, you want to choose a pomade rather than a powder because a powder can still run if you get sweaty, whereas a pomade is more long-wearing and will stick to your skin. I couldn't find mine, but you want to use a waterproof mascara so that your mascara doesn't run all over your cheeks. You want to go over your whole face with a brush to make sure you get rid of any built-up setting powder from earlier that hasn't settled in. A matte liquid lipstick would be a smart choice so that your lipstick doesn't bleed as you sweat. And finally, lock in your look with the long-wearing setting spray. And that's it, everyday sweat-resistant makeup. All products used can be found in the description bar below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the little bell button so you never miss a video.